Hello and welcome to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. We're here at Aldi. Make sure you're subscribed and let's go shopping.
Okay, we are back. We went to Aldi for almost everything, and then we went to Wegmans, a regional grocery chain, just for a few things that Aldi didn't have. So let's jump right into it. We'll start over here with the produce. I have some broccoli. I'm going to be using this in a stir fry. I have some baby Bella mushrooms. I like these ones because they have a little bit more flavor. That's also going to go in the stir fry. I got some raspberries. I'm gonna see if my son likes these. I also got these I got from Wegmans, Concord grapes. And if you guys aren't aware already, part 1 of my 3-part fall baking series is uploaded as apple fritters. So go and check that out when you're done watching this video. Next week I will be posting a pumpkin recipe, and those Concord grapes will be for the 3rd part, a grape pie bar. Make sure you subscribe, don't miss that. We have some bananas here. And then we have, well, let's do the potatoes. I got this big bag of potatoes. It is 10 pounds of white potatoes. These are versatile. I can use them for everything. I'm going to be particularly using them in a zuppa Toscana soup, and I'm going to be using them as well in, oh my gosh, potato salad. That's the word. Here, I've never tried this, Southwestern grilled chicken breast strips. This is with like the deli meats at Aldi. It looks pretty legit, so let me know in the comments, have you guys tried these like chicken strips? That's basically what I'm going to do with it, is I'm going to put it in a wrap. For that, I got some rice, long grain rice, because we are out of rice. Olive tapenade hummus, and this is going to be for some pita chips that I found. It was an Aldi find this week, but the olive tapenade hummus is there all the time. I couldn't find it last time, so I'm pretty excited to get to have it this time. Then we have over here some unsalted butter. This is for baking. We have some shredded Parmesan cheese. We have a brick of mild cheddar. I usually do my own shredding of cheese. The Parmesan I usually get shredded just because that is the best deal for the price. Moving over here, I have some bacon. This was an interesting find. I don't think they have this there all the time. Applewood smoked Gruyere. They also had Applewood smoked cheddar, Applewood smoked Gouda, and they also had a scorpion pepper Gouda, I believe it was. But yeah, those looked pretty good. We have some flour, again baking, we got to restock on that. Grabbed some Jiffy corn muffin mix, make with some chili this week. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've used boxed corn muffin mix, so we're just gonna give it a try again and see how it turns out. Maybe I'll add some cheese or something, jazz it up. Then I grabbed some more bread. This is usually for lunches, and I keep it in the freezer until I need it. Underneath that, we have flour tortillas. This is going to be for our wraps and breakfast burritos. And then I have some spices because I am running low and I'm starting to stock back up. I use a lot of spices during the winter seasons. So I have bay leaves, and I use that a lot in like soups. I have garlic powder, which I just literally use that all the time. I could probably buy one of those a week. Some cloves and cinnamon, you know, holiday spices because we are getting to that time of year. Have some coffee creamer. We went for the caramel macchiato this week because caramel and pumpkin coffee together are delicious. Nuggets we buy pretty often just as an emergency meal for my 1-year-old. We have some steak fries. I really like these steak fries. I think they're a really good deal for the money, and they're pretty tasty too. Now I do have some snacks and all these finds that I found this week. And before I get to those, let's just move over here and get through the rest of the boring stuff. Chopped walnuts. These are going to be also for baking purposes. We have a can of whole kernel corn. You know, Aldi had their, what is it? I don't even know. The Happy Harvest, this brand here, of the corn, and they've stopped carrying it, at least at the one I go to for some reason. This one costs a little more, and I don't know. I'm a little bitter about it, but I guess I'll get over it. So then we also have crushed tomatoes that's going to be in chili. Beans, kidney beans for chili once again. Some mayo, because we are running low. I grabbed another one of these, the Kansas City barbecue sauce. If you saw, I think it was my last week's haul, I grabbed one of these. They're on sale right now for like $1.19 because they're going out of season. I decided I really liked this one, so I thought I'd keep it for back stock in my pantry when I go through the other one. We have a case of water there. Whole bunch of these. You can see I buy a bunch of these every week for my son. These are just the squeezes. They come in all different flavors, and I sing their tune every single week about them. I love them. So if you have little ones, give those a try. We have our sparkling waters. Again, I have about 8 of these, only 3 of them on the table. Strawberry, peach, and black cherry. I also have lime. This here I got from Wegmans. The Diet Wedge grapefruit soda. It's a lot like Squirt, if you guys like Squirt. I love grapefruit soda. And this is also from Wegmans, the unsweetened silk soy milk for my son. We have some coffees here. This is the whole bean coffee I'm going to use for my cold brew. I don't know, historically I'm not a fan of Wegmans coffee, but I thought I would give it a try because it's been a while. And I don't normally do the whole bean, so, you know, I'll give it another chance. And we got this one from Aldi. They also had a pumpkin spice, so if you guys like pumpkin spice flavored coffees, I have a love-hate relationship with coffees, flavored coffees like this. I always really want to like them, but I usually end up not doing it, but I'm gonna give it another chance. The maple might not be too bad, because that's a pretty subtle flavor to begin with. So maple coffee, it sounds good to me, at least. And I have these garlic breadsticks. These I'm using to go with the Zuppa Toscana soup. They were kind of an afterthought. I don't really know if Aldi has these. I'll have to look to see if they do have these sometime, but yeah, so they look good. All right, and then we also have here some K-Cups. These are for my husband to take to work. These are the dark roast kind. They have all different kinds at Aldi. Now, finally, to the fun stuff back here. These Cuban sandwich kettle chips, they also have Nashville hot chicken. They put these out on sale. They're 99 cents right now. I guess they are going away at least for the season, so I grabbed one more bag because I really do like the Cuban kettle chips. They kind of like a pickly flavor if you like that kind of chip. Here, I thought these were a lot of fun. I also saw that they had pumpkin cinnamon rolls, but I opted for the sea salt caramel cookie dough. So they're, you know, they're the pre-portioned cookie dough pieces that you bake up. I normally make my own cookies, but those just looked really fun, really good. Back here we have some Clubhouse crackers. These are going to be for this Gruyere cheese that we bought. Also, my son likes to snack on those. And some cotton swabs. These aren't fun, but you know, these are, you know, essential from time to time. And then this one. Pumpkin spice yogurt covered pretzel. I love like the chocolate and yogurt covered pretzels. They're one of my favorite sweet treats. And so I figured this pumpkin spice one would be pretty good. If you saw I think it was last week's video, the pumpkin spice caramel corn, cheesecake caramel corn, that one was really good. So if you guys find that at your Aldi, give it a shot. We have here the caramelized onion and balsamic vinegar pita chips. They also had gorgonzola pita chips. And this is what I'm going to be using with that hummus. So I'm pretty excited to try these. Oh dear, don't mind the screaming. And then the last thing to round out the whole week of groceries, they are bringing out their Halloween candy at Aldi. They have, this is their brand, the Chakur candy brand, and they have these little mini bars. They have a nougat and chocolate, cookie and caramel, nougat and caramel, and peanut and caramel. I don't know. They look pretty good. I like trying new, unique things. I know this brand of chocolate is not bad, so we're gonna give that a shot, and you guys let me know if you've had these before either. I don't know. I've never seen them before. It doesn't mean they haven't had them, but so yeah, that will conclude our haul for this week. If you're looking for some meal plan inspiration, go on and stick around because I got that coming for you right now.
All right, so here's our weekly meal plan for this week. I had somebody ask what I did for breakfast and lunch because I only post dinners, which I keep breakfast and lunch the same most of the time. So breakfast usually consists of, and this week it is going to consist of, I'm going to try oatmeal with my son and see how he does. If he's not fond of that, we're just gonna do like some peanut butter with toast and fruit. And we'll do oatmeal with some fruit if he likes that. For lunch, every day I will make him a sandwich of some kind or fish sticks. I have supplies in my house always to either make tuna, to do a grilled cheese, or peanut butter and jelly at least, if not something different. So he'll get that, and then I'll give him one of those squeeze pouches that I buy, and then crackers of some kind, either a graham cracker or just like a couple of the like club crackers to go with it. Okay, so getting into our dinner list, on Monday, I'm going to be making a chicken, corn, and cheddar wrap with chili fries. The chili I'm going to get left over from Sunday because the week really starts on Saturday here. Or I'm sorry, it actually starts Thursday. But anyway, so the chili will come left over. But Monday is chicken, corn, and cheddar wraps with chili fries. Tuesday we'll be making breakfast burritos with any leftovers that we have. I also am making homemade sausage, so we have that. Wednesday, I'll be making rotini with some red sauce and mushroom sauteed. Thursday, we're gonna have an avocado bacon burger with potato salad. Friday, I'm making General Tso's shrimp with stir fry with the broccoli that I bought and the mushrooms. And Saturday, we're gonna do a zuppa toscana soup, like a like Olive Garden, an Olive Garden knockoff with garlic breadsticks. And Sunday will be that chili with cornbread that I'm going to try. So that is our weekly meal plan inspiration for you. I hope you guys like that, and make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I've already started the fall baking series on Monday with apple fritters, and on this coming Monday I am posting a pumpkin and pecan streusel recipe. So make sure you're subscribed and don't miss it. Thanks so much, guys. Love you. Bye.